So here I have a other Bose multi CD player, and it had some stuck CDs inside. And when I plug it in, the gears are just spinning there, you know, and it can't intake a CD. Okay, so I'm not 100% sure what's wrong. It could be a stripped CDs or something. We'll be having a look at this player. And anyways, she's not working. I was able to take out all the CDs though. So that's good. So needs to have a fine screwdriver here, and it has several screws on the top. This is going to be a lot of tinkering, I think. See that? A strip gear or one of the buttons probably doesn't work. That's my guess. These will be these contact sensors, and they tell the motors what to do. So if it's not a stripped gear, it will have been tray seems to be okay. I've realigned the tray before on this type of machine. This tray, just not too sure how it. Let's take it out. There's a couple screws here. It's really nice. I really do like this. Like, it's easy to take apart and have a look at. So here's the gears. Could be a gear problem. I'm just checking out all the gears. be a lot of playing around here. I'm just going to have a look. Okay. So you can slide it in the front one, down the middle, goes in, but the bottom one doesn't go in. You see? That goes in. That one goes in. So, okay. So, why? I just pushed it in there. Okay, let me try that out, see if that fixed it. So, I'm going to reattach we're going to retouch this plate. It does have a couple things in here. think it was just a gear out of alignment. Hopefully this will work. Okay. Now we just put it back into its frame here. It's a really good machine, honest. It is really nice. Keep these things going as long as you can. I really like the craftsmanship of it. It's really serviceable. Good quality. Really nice. Okay. So let's plug it in. See what happens here. So what I think is the issue is when you put the CD on, it has these little relay switches, and this would be the bottom one and the middle CD and the top CD. These two are working. They can detect when the CD is pushed in, because when the CD is pushed in, it pushes this down. And I think over time that these things can go bad, and especially for the top one, because it's working for the bottom CD. I have a CD playing right there, you can see, and I'll eject it here. We'll just eject the CD, and then I'll put it in the middle one, and you can see the contacts going in there, and it goes down in there, and I can play it. So 1 and 2 is working, and try the last one here. So we'll put it in the top one. You can see, and this automatically keeps on spinning for forever. So I know the gears are working because it does go in on all the other ones. It just doesn't know. It just doesn't know when that third one is done in there. So for now, I'm just gonna say, just just use the two bottom ones, and the top one I'll just put some tape so you can't put a CD in. There you go.
Consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next repair video.